I'm going to show you how you can upload PDF files to ChatGPT in just a few steps. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like the video for more. So the process is very easy and it will allow you to use ChatGPT to analyze your PDF files, and it will help you. Let's say you need to do homework or you need to do a resume of a PDF or something. ChatGPT will do it in just a few seconds. So all you need to do is go to ChatGPT and log into your account. Then press the plus icon right here and upload from your computer, or you can also upload from Google Drive. So in my case, I'm gonna upload from my computer and I have it on downloads. I'm gonna upload this file and it will take a few seconds to load, and I can say what is this PDF about. So in my case, the PDF I'm uploading is this one, that is just a placeholder PDF, and it doesn't contain any information. So let's see what ChatGPT says about it. Okay, so as you can see, it analyzed the PDF file, all the content inside, and it detects it's a placeholder text. And that's it. You can do the same thing with any type of file or even an image. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.